Alright guys, here's factory speeds. Let's start with low. That's a new watch I put on here, by the way. It's a new watch I got from a camp. That's low. That's the medium. Make the scraping noise on high. I'll show you when you get the high. It makes a little scraping noise on medium. Let's go to high. It's on a dimmer, which low and the medium don't work on a dimmer. They're not good for the fan. So thanks for watching. So reverse. Let's move the stool a little closer so I can access the reverse switch. That's low reverse. Reverse. Let's spin it. Now, my old middle school had these, but they're the studio series. In polished brass, and the originals too, in polished brass, and a couple R&M Comfort Breeze. Medium, by the way, doing a better video. Just from telling Mom. And high. That's high. I'll leave it on high. Thanks for watching.